The husband of Quezon City Mayor Joy Belmonte has been summoned by the House of Representatives. Ray Alimurong was asked to join the hearing of the House Committee on Trade and Industry. Belmonte's husband attended Valenzuela Representative Westy Gatchalian's committee, probing the scams and crimes connected to online transactions.
Cannabis oil, we've also researched that it's being sold, and again, may mga markings at the back na alam naman po natin these have different uses, pero subliminally and sa mga kabataan natin, pag nakikita ho tayo ng markings like that, ay medyo delikado ito.
Alimurong is Lazada's Chief Executive Officer. He said they can check if a package contains illegal drugs before it is shipped to a buyer.
Lazada is unable to open the parcel during this entire journey because if we were to open the parcel, we will basically the customer will reject it for tampering. And if the customer rejects it for tampering, it will now return to the seller, who will now reject it as well for tampering.
Alimurong explained, Lazada does not have an X-ray machine to detect possible banned substances that may be hidden in a parcel.
Sir Alimurong, wala ba kayong, to help PDEA or PNP, wala ba kayong tulad sa customs, X-ray, random check, or practice test so that maiwasan natin yung mga pangyayaring ganito na dumadaan at dumadating sa kamay ng mga buyers but using online para makalusot.
We also have a lot of preventive mechanisms upstream, except meron nga nakakalusot. No? But we believe the number is very, very small.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.